Hi. Okay. Oh god, I can't be a YouTuber anymore. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. This may or may not be the first video I put out since my 9-month hiatus, but I have decided I want to film for my leisure, my pleasure, a fluffy eyebrow tutorial. It's trending, everyone's doing it now, and it's a trend that I absolutely love because it gives your eyebrows a flawless finish every single time. Like before I used to really struggle, now I can do my eyebrows in 15 minutes and they give every single time. Let me just get straight into it because I actually just wanted to do this for my own sake. I'm not even gonna lie, no one asked for this video. I'm not gonna pretend like anyone did. I just wanted to do it, and if it helps, it helps. If it don't, but it's fine. This is what I use for my eyebrows. A lot of people actually buy brow gel pomades. You can do that, it's absolutely fine. I just would rather not spend £8 or £10 on pomade gel when this works exactly the same. And it actually is styling wax. It's not just for hair. And if it is for hair, my eyebrow hairs are hair. So it works. Okay, so I'm just going to take my spoolie and the tiniest bit of styling wax. Then I'm kind of just going to brush my brows with the wax in all directions so the wax gets in and not only just on the top of my brows. Okay, so I'm going to completely ruin my brow at the minute. Then I'm going to brush it upwards. Once all the gel, I'm satisfied that all the gel is in place. Do you see how it has already lifted up my eyebrow? My right eyebrow is lifting, and this is going to give a really nice lifted face. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in for you guys so you guys have a clear shot of me doing my eyebrows. So as you can see with the gel, I'm just kind of going in all directions with the wax so that it goes behind all layers of the hair. And then I'm going to brush it in an upwards motion. I'm going to pencil in with a black eyebrow pencil, but that's because my hair is black. So I do the lightest strokes, and I only stroke in areas where there's barely any hair. I don't do it where there's loads of hair. So that's like the front and the back. Then I'm going to use my concealer and conceal the bottom, basically following my shape and making alterations where I want it. And then I'm going to conceal the top with the same shade. This is about 2 shades lighter than my shade. It's not too bright. You just want to start with something one shade lighter than your skin, to be honest. And don't use a lot of concealer, it's unnecessary. And this is a scary bit, so I'm just going to take a shade that is literally 5 shades lighter than me, just for the brown bone, because that area, when it is highlighted with a light shade, it looks lifted. So I only put the light shade on the corner of my brow. So where the arch is, that's the only place I place it, guys. I don't do it all across the bottom of the brows, no, just the brow bone. Okay, so now get your foundation that is exactly the same shade as you. Get rid of any excess concealer from the top of your brows because you want the bottom to be the most highlighted. And you don't want to look messy, okay? That is it for this video. This is how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis and how I get it snatched. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it's going to help a lot of you guys to just get really nice fluffy brows every single time. Yeah, hit the thumbs up for a good brow video. I'm not really one to follow trends as I should be, but this is one that's eaten and it's making my eyebrow routine easy every single time. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.